Hey everyone, having trouble activating your Verizon phone? Let's break down why this happens. Activation links your phone, iPhone or Android, to Verizon's network, letting you make calls, text, and use data. The process involves connecting your phone's unique ID, IMEI, and your SIM card, physical or eSIM, to your Verizon account. So why does it fail? Common reasons include a faulty SIM card, software glitches on your phone, poor network signal, or even an unpaid bill. For iPhones, iOS updates can sometimes mess with cellular settings. Android phones might have issues because of different manufacturer customizations. Understanding these basics is the first step to fixing it. Key takeaway: activation issues usually stem from problems connecting your phone, SIM, and Verizon's network. Don't worry, we'll get it sorted. All right, let's get your phone working. We'll go through the troubleshooting steps one by one. First, try the simplest fix: restart your phone. This clears temporary errors. Next, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted, or if it's an eSIM, that it's correctly provisioned in your settings. For Android users, you might need to manually enter Verizon's APN settings. Go to your network settings, find access point names, and add APN VZ Winternet with blank username and password. iPhones often have a carrier settings update available. Check in Settings, General, About, and install any updates that appear. Also, use the My Verizon app. It has a network diagnostic tool that can identify problems. Finally, double-check that your phone is actually compatible with Verizon's network using their compatibility checker. Pro tip: always make sure your software is up to date. And if nothing works, Verizon's support team is available 24/7, now with faster AI chatbot assistance. Key takeaway: restarting, checking your SIM eSIM, updating settings, and using the Verizon app are key steps to resolve activation problems.